Hi friends, I am preparing today Hyderabadi Biryani. These are ingredients: lamb, coriander and mint. This is for rice. Shahijeera, cloves, cardamom, pepper, star anise, bay leaf, chilli, color for garnish. Bay leaf, coriander, red chilli, turmeric, salt, pepper, shahijeera, flour, nutmeg, cloves, cardamom, star anise and bay leaf. Garlic paste, garam masala, biryani powder, chilli, lemon, curd, fried onion and rose water. Let's start now. I'll start with mutton. I'll add first lemon and ginger garlic paste. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add salt. Add all spices: coriander, red chilli powder, turmeric, fried onions, biryani powder, garam masala, chilli. Add curd. I'm adding spices, saffron also, coriander, mint. Add oil, 5 tablespoons of oil. Add rose water, 1 spoon. Add ghee. Mix nicely. Keep it in your fridge for 35 minutes. I am preparing rice. Take a water. I am adding spices. Add oil. Add salt. Very little ginger garlic paste. A little bit mint and coriander. And on the flame, take 3 glasses of rice. Don't soak into the water, otherwise you don't get the spices flavor. While boiling the water, you just wash the rice. Boiling is started. Check the taste. If you require salt, add the salt. Now we wash the rice. Water is boiling. Add the rice now. Mix it. Keep it in medium flame. Check every 2 minutes. Rice is cooked 80%. Get ready. First layer always be 80%. Cook 1 more minute. Now we'll add the rice. Spread the rice nicely. Add coriander, mint, fried onions, color. I'm adding lemon juice. Add ghee. Cover the lid with. Switch on the flame now. 10 minutes in high flame. If you want, you can keep the weight on the top. Minutes is finished. Look at the steam after 10 minutes. Now you keep it in medium flame. Not too high, not too low. Medium flame in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is finished. Now keep it in low flame in another 20 minutes. 20 minutes is finished. Now we'll prepare raita. So let's start. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add salt, onion, carrot, chopped carrot, finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped chilli, finely chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Now add a little bit water as per your taste. If you want thick, you can make it thick. If you want thick, don't add the water. Raita is ready now. Let's check the biryani. Looks nice. Biryani is ready now.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please share, comment and like. Thank you so much for watching.